What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Francesco. If you're new to this channel, I've been traveling around the world for the last 5-6 years and I've been visiting so many beautiful places. In this video, I'm going to help you and I'm going to help myself to pack my suitcase because I am on the way to USA. We are going to spend, me and my wife, over a month and a half there. We're going to visit two beautiful states, Oregon first and then Florida. We're going to stay around Portland and Miami. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you should pack your suitcases, luggages, cabin bags, whatever you have, all the tips and hacks that I've been using for the last 6 years. So stay tuned, keep watching this video and smash the subscribe button if you are not subscribed yet. So, you were about to say?
I actually have so much space in my suitcase because of this new tool.
You were about to say, I actually have so much shit around here that I still need to pack.
This room, just don't look.
Okay, so show us this new tool, what it is.
So you have a bag and you put all your clothes inside.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you want to suck the air out, you just use this little device.
Wow. So basically, I'm going to explain to you. So a few days ago, I actually had the idea to buy one of this pump that sucks the air from these sockets that you put inside your luggage. This is like a life changer because it basically helps you to compress the space of your clothes within your luggage, and that means that you will be able to pack way more stuff inside one piece of luggage. You don't need to actually take 200,000 pieces, but don't forget that the density change, but the weight of the clothes and the pieces that you put inside the luggage stays the same. So that means that even though you have more space, that now means that you can put more stuff in it, and magically the pounds or kilograms are going to be less. No, it doesn't work like that. So that's the first tip. Use these bags that can be compressed and so the hair can be sucked out from this beautiful pump gadget that you can get on Amazon for about 30 bucks. And then for the second tips, I'll show you. The tip is definitely to learn how to actually fold your clothes. And you may need one of this, which is like a steamer or a portable. Where is it? Where did you put it?
Yes, I also bought a little travel iron, which is not here.
Okay, I'm going to show you about this little piece of tool here, which is very helpful. It's actually very small, like the palm of my hand, and it needs to iron the clothes. Going to save a lot of space because instead of actually putting a bunch of clothes inside your luggage and just trying to fit it all, you can actually fold it or roll it, even better, and that is going to be very helpful and is going to help you in order to save space and to pack way more quickly. So my suggestion is actually to iron all your clothes every day, not just the day before you are going for 2 months abroad or even moving across the world. So, as we're doing right now. Anyway, and as a third tips, I want to share this with you too. The way as you actually going to organize your luggage. So for example, I know that I have a PlayStation here. So you see, I actually left the space there to put my PlayStation and all the gadgets of it. And then in the other side, most of the luggages have this space in between these two bars, okay, where actually the handle is sliding in and out. Okay, so here I'm going to put I'm going to fill these spaces with things that like this one. I'll show you. So for example, this I'll put it here, okay, and I do, and I keep doing this all the way, so making rows, so to maximize and to use all the spaces inside my luggage. Okay, and then the fourth tip is actually pack cleverly. Why? Because, for example, if like us, we're actually traveling across the world and we are going to take an international flight, we're gonna have a cabin bag too. Cabin bag means, I'll show it to you. What is that? Whoop. Means one of this like bag here, okay? So I'm going to put in these bags the most heaviest stuff, which can be shoes, it can be electronics, like my laptop, for example, or I don't know, the drone, which is inside here, like the batteries, things that clearly cannot go into your checked bag, because you are not allowed to actually put batteries and stuff like that in the checked bag, and that will help you also to save on the weight of the luggage, which is like, that means you're saving money, because you know how much they charge you if you have just a little 1 kilogram or 1 pound extra entitled for your trip. So that's my 4th tip, and then we are going to now show to you the 5th tip. Okay, so tell us about the 5th tip.
Okay.
The last tip of this video.
Stop.
Come on, you're a pro on this.
The 5th tip is just don't have a lot of shit to begin with.
Okay. So, as the master said, the 5th tip is make sure you don't bring a lot of shit with you, because you're not gonna need that, especially if you go in certain places like us, for example, that we travel in tropical places. We live basically with Havaianas, flip-flop, swimwear and t-shirts all day long, and we don't need anything more. I mean, as you can see, my wife, she's not really like the best in it, but this is the 5th tip, and you have to follow, because I am say so. And this is gonna save you money, this is gonna save you time, this is gonna save you like also like hard working, trying to take your trolley all around across the airports and so on, especially if you have changes. So these are the tips for you, and I hope you're gonna follow this. And if you did enjoy this vlog, please smash the subscribe button. If you're not subscribed yet, leave a thumbs up below, and if you have any questions, there is a comment bar below. I'll see you in the next video, because next video is gonna be fun. We are going to be in USA. Ciao.